Hi guys, how are you? It's been a long time. So that is, I'm back here. I'm testing. Hi guys. So I'm back to our channel. So today I didn't go to school because the I'm a Muslim, right? Is that is how the Muslims do. The holiday that we use in our school. So I'll go tomorrow to school, but today I'll just rest. So I love you so much. Please like and subscribe.
I'm a princess.
Princess Alia. Bye.